Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the body and trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Gather the following tools: a screwdriver set with Phillips and flathead tips, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure that your vacuum cleaner is powered off and disconnected from any charging base. This is crucial to avoid any accidental activation during the repair. Begin by removing the dustbin. Simply press the release button located on the side and pull it off. Once this is removed, you'll gain access to the screws that hold the body in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Next, carefully lift the body of the vacuum. You may need to gently wiggle it to remove it from the main body. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage. Once the body is off, take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A soft cloth works best for this. If you notice any issues or have concerns about the internal components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the trigger mechanism. You'll find a small cover over the trigger area, secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the cover is off, you can see the trigger assembly. If you're replacing the trigger, gently pull it out and disconnect any attached wires. If you don't have the tools needed for this repair or feel uncomfortable doing it yourself, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you don't have to worry about calls or travel, just schedule a time, and we'll handle the rest. After you have replaced the trigger, reattach the cover by reversing the earlier steps, screw it back into place securely. Next, it's time to put the body back on. Align it properly and press down to snap it into place. Make sure all screws are tightened securely to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into position until you hear a click. Give your vacuum a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any irregularities, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before repair so you know what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the body and trigger of your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. With a little care and attention, your vacuum is back to working like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.